Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you have, Lightning or 3. 5mm Apple headphones. This changes the fix. Check the plug and cable for lint, bends, or corrosion because physical faults often block the mic. Once done, restart your phone or computer and re-enable Bluetooth or unplug and replug the wired jack. This resets the audio routing. Make sure volume and mute settings are normal and that the device recognizes external audio accessories. This prevents wasted troubleshooting later. Next, you address software. Open audio input settings and explicitly select the headphone mic as the input because devices sometimes default to internal mics. Then check microphone permissions for the app you use and update the operating system to remove known audio bugs. If Bluetooth is involved, forget the device and repair it to clear cached profiles. For wired connections, choose the external input in Sound Preferences. These steps resolve most routing or permission conflicts that silence a work. Finally, you isolate hardware. Record a voice memo or call another phone to test the microphone. This tells you whether the headset itself is faulty. If possible, try a different headset or adapter on the same device to narrow down whether the port or the mic is bad. If the mic still fails after these checks and software resets, replace the cable or seek Apple support. And here is one key troubleshooting tip. Clean the port gently with a dry toothpick or soft brush, because debris often mimics a hard failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.